What happens when you mix banana bread with Biscoff? Pure magic. I had some overripe bananas sitting on my counter and I thought, why not turn them into something amazing? If you love banana bread and Biscoff, you are going to love this. Today we are making the most delicious banana Biscoff bread, and trust me, it's a game changer. Before we dive into this delicious recipe, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica and welcome to Delights by Monica. I am so excited to have you here. I love creating simple, tasty recipes that anyone can make, and today we are going making something amazing. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so whenever I upload the video you get the notification. So let's get started. So first we need to make a buttermilk. So I am taking a 120 ml milk and adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps with the texture and makes the bread nice and fluffy. In a separate bowl I am taking 3 medium sized bananas. Mash them really well in a bowl. The riper they are, the sweeter your bread will be. Now I am going to add a buttermilk which I made earlier, and along with 120 grams brown sugar for a rich sweetness, and then pour 80 ml oil. And after that I'm going to add yogurt. Yogurt will keep the bread super moist. Now I'm going to add 80 grams of Biscoff spread and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now just mix everything together until smooth. When you get the smooth texture like this, then keep it aside and let's prepare for the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, I am adding a 280 grams of self-rising flour along with a 1 teaspoon of baking powder and pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Whisk it together. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients into the wet mixer. So I'm going to add the half dry ingredients into the wet mixture and fold gently. Now add rest of them and fold nicely. We don't want over mix, just until everything is nicely. So be careful while mixing it. So don't over mix. When everything is mixed, then add chopped Biscoff cookies for an extra crunch. Then fold it nicely. I'm taking aluminium foil container here. Then pour half of the batter into a lined loaf pan and spread evenly. Now add Biscoff spread on top and finish with the rest of the batter. Once you have poured the batter into the pan, give it a few gentle taps on the kitchen top. This helps remove any air bubbles and even out the batter. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool before slicing. Trust me, the wait is worth it. And there you have it, a moist, flavorful banana Biscoff bread that's perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a sweet snacks. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipe. See you next time. Bye.